Welcome back, my Big Notes crew. I'm going to show you guys how to use these command strips. As you know, I do not want holes in my walls. I'm going to finally start hanging my pictures, and these are picture hanging strips. So you get the picture hanging strip. This is for those that don't want to put holes in their walls as well. You're going to pull this apart, and you're going to stick it together like so. Like, it's supposed to be easy, guys. Okay, boom, boom, boom. So they are snapped together. Mine is not. Don't make the mistake and have it halfway together, Lord. Okay, so we're gonna stick them together, right? Okay, is this better? Okay, yeah, that's so much better. But that's to the side now. There we go. Okay, so then we're gonna squish them. Now let's roll it up. Look at that. Don't be like me, y'all. So I'm gonna pull these apart one more time. Lord, don't let the sticky come off. Okay, so epic fail. Can somebody say epic fail? Not really. All right, so we're gonna take our time this time and squeeze it. You hear the popping sound? Reminds me of poppers. Anyway, we are gonna squeeze it. Squeeze it. Excuse my ashy hands, y'all. I just got done cleaning up my kitchen, mop the floor and things. Alright, so I would suggest not to rush it, to literally like slowly squeeze it all the way down so it won't be all bunched up, right? And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna pull each piece apart. Actually, I should have did all 4 of mine before doing that. Okay guys, so here only thing I'm doing is getting the strips together so that we can apply them to the back of the frame. Just make sure when you put the strips together that they're not bulging up around the corners or in the middle, because it's really easy to do when you put the strips together. You'll see in here that I'm just removing the both sides. Now what you don't want to do is what I did. I removed both sides of it, so it was hard to push it down because one side was sticky. You just want to remove the side that will be going against your frame of your picture. Do not remove the top part. I don't know what I was thinking at this time, but it is go so hard for you to push it down onto it when it's sticky on that side. Okay, so you're gonna grab your picture and you're gonna push it up against the wall. You need to make sure once you push it up against the wall that you hold it for 30 seconds, top and bottom. Y'all, I was struggling doing this. I should have had my husband come over here and press it because it was up the wall and I'm kind of short. So I was just like pushing and holding on and trying to count to my 30 at the same time here. But yeah, so you're gonna hold that actually for 30 minutes onto the wall, top and bottom for 30, not minutes, 30 seconds. And then once you hold it there for 30 seconds, you'll see what's next. say a little prayer before pulling it off. Now, what you're supposed to do here is actually pull it off so that you can push down the ones that are already on the wall. But as I said, because I went to go put my scripts on there, I had a hard time pushing the scripts. Look at my husband here with this rod. But I had a hard time pushing it against it. Do not peel it on both sides, y'all, until you're ready to put it across there. Stop. Okay, so after you pull it across, pull it off, guys, I was having a hard time because I didn't get to push it too close to it. So actually mine peeled off. I think it was the bottom ones that peeled completely off the wall. So I had to put them back on there. See, it's still on there. So I had to pull them off of the actual, off the wall because it's still connected to it. But it should be like the bottom ones are when you pull it off. It should still be on there, but I had to peel mine off and then stick it. This is why it's evident that you should not, when you go to put it on to your frame, not to peel that side so you can push it hard, because I wasn't able to push it hard. So that's why. But you want to make sure when you peel it off that it's still stuck on the wall like those are. And then after that, you're going to connect them. So the next step after you peel it off, you're actually supposed to be pushing down on these for 30 seconds, just so that you know that they are completely stuck onto your wall. So that's why you have to peel the picture off and then press down the ones that are connected to the wall. You will have to push that down for 30 seconds each, so that they are bound to your wall. Okay, so after you peel the picture, you're going to push down on the ones that are connected to your wall. That is the next step. Once you're done pushing it down for the 30 seconds, you're going to line it back up and connect it to each piece onto the wall, which will cause it to hang, guys. It'll cause it to be on your wall the way it needs to, because them are literally, the stickers are snapping together. So it's connected from the wall. That's why it's important to do the 30 seconds to the wall, so you can make sure that it does not, so it doesn't fall once they connect to each other. So I'm happy to say that once I connected mine, you'll hear a snap sound. Actually, when you connect them, it snaps. Like you'll literally hear like a crunching snap sound when they are together. And I did it, guys. I did it. I pray that this video was helpful for you. Please share this video with your friends and family, and have a great, blessed week. Don't be bitter. Don't be mean. Give someone a hug today. Give someone a hug today. Peace out. Until the next video.